reaching FTC for production. The People Channel. Thank you very much for your audience support, for your respect, for your questionable loyalty, and the best of everything for coming back. Today I want to share with you another great experience that will make you win 100 USD Tether again, added to your arsenal portfolio. 7 days left so far. Gems Sport 3.0 Whitelist. That's the name of it. But before we start with all this around, let's take a look at the Gang Esports 3.0 platform so you have an idea what's going on here. What is at stake? Alright? Look at that, look at that. Whoa. This is crazy, right? Yeah. Look at that, look at that. So real. So cool. It's a 3D. I mean, social wide with friends. I mean, like, this is really cool. This actually reminds me the Ready Player One movie. Remember? Oh wow! It's not different. It's the same thing. Step into the realm of this Sport 3.0 blockchain gaming. Gems is an Sport 3.0 aggregator platform within a O2O ecosystem. It propels export into 3.0 by integrating gamified, metaverse, and social 5 elements, and leverage on its founding partners chain of sport hotels. You can learn more into that. But sorry that I took away the phone upstairs above, but it's the algorithm of YouTube. If I would have left it more time, I would have gotten hit by it, and I just don't want to be doing that. The game ecosystem introducing Sport 3.0. The ultimate goal of games is to create a safe haven for gamers to compete, explore, and earn while playing games with a lower price point. The ecosystem consists of NFT marketplace, DeFi union, FanFi studio, DAO guild, and the P2E arena. So you know that, and this is invested by their project is backed by the following venture capitalists. It's a lot of them. Invested by 32 venture capital, reach $800,000 plus users, and is partnered with 30 plus blockchain and sport association and company at the C-suite level. The funding partners right there, labs, are Arena Sport Hotel, Game One, of course. The graphics, things, I mean, couldn't expect less from labs. Market leading partners right here. The roadmap, a very ambitious agenda, which is not for everyone, but I mean, it's there. This is actually the team behind this great and wonderful project. All disrespect, Mrs. Trap My Angel, gorgeous. And we have others, and the Gem Advisors, Pauli Good. Wow, there you go. News and announcement. This is what you get. up to this point, let's go back to where we really want to talk about. Formless hashtag Launchpad second issue. Gems will be online on TBC. Ladies and gentlemen, Gems Sport 3.0 whitelist, 100 USD third whitelist to join. Gems is an export NFT social sharing portal and O2O ecosystem. Gems is #1 in the CryptoGraph ranking. Launchpad Token Sales to publish. Complete the platform gleam task, 100 U whitelist quota, and have prepared a general gift for the users. 100 USD Tether whitelist each person. Wow. Provide BSC payments address. It has to be the same BSC wallet address used to purchase your gems tokens, and the same for you to receive gems token as well. Otherwise, it might affect your whitelist allocation. Please each tax to increase your chances. Earn points by following the instruction. The more points you collect, the better your chances of winning a guaranteed prize. So we got seven ways to enter, and each way minimum you're gonna get 10 points to enter. You gotta follow at GemsGG_financial on Twitter. For that, you just earn yourself 10 points. Then you gotta follow a FORMLESS Gamify on Twitter, another 10 points. Then we got retweet a FORMLESS Gamify on Twitter, 20 points for that. Jesus. Join the games on Twitter. And then join the FORMLESS officially on Telegram. Then we gotta you gotta retweet the FORMLESS Gamify on Twitter. For that, you get 20 points. Then you're gonna join the Gems Eggs on Telegram. Join FORMLESS official in Telegram. People done. Alright, then you gotta join the FORMLESS official on Telegram. Alright, and then you gotta join a FORMLESS_ official on Telegram. For that, from 10 points. Share this link to 5+ friends, 50 points. Provide BSC payment address, 10 points. Alright, interesting, very nice, but I'm actually really busy. I guess I have many other things that I need to deal with. Gonna leave it up to this point. I hope you understand. Thank you for reaching. Wow. Gonna leave it up to this point, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry for the inconvenience. I hope you win. If you do, please don't hesitate to call